Each user has their own contact card. For GDPR compliance and to update your own internal records, you may need to export all the details you have on a specific user inside your subscriber list. To do that, we just need to navigate to our desired user. So click on the mailing list they live in. You could use the search bar here to find the user, or alternatively, if you can easily spot them, let's just click on it by clicking on their row. Okay, we can see their contact card is now on screen. If you wish to export this information for offline viewing and to open inside your favourite spreadsheet app, we can see the export button over here. By default, all the boxes are ticked. This means that we will export everything that we have on the user. If, for example, you only wish to export certain information, for example, maybe you don't want to export their activity feed and analytics. By unticking boxes, we can filter it down to perhaps just their contact details. When you're ready, click on Download, and a CSV contact card will now be generated.